So, here comes a customer now. Why don't you join me now for a little Exxon superb service? Just come on with me. Hi there, sir. What can I get for you?
Why don't you fill it up with Sunoco Ultra there?
Sir, this is an Exxon station. All we have is fine quality Exxon products. We have the Supreme, the Plus, and the regular. Which one can I get for you, sir?
I'll take the best you got there, the Supreme.
All right, sir. Here's this guy's tank. Excuse me, sir. Where's your tank?
On the other side. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I pull up on the wrong side?
No, that's okay. Well, why don't you move it? Go ahead. Why don't you move it? Back it up.
All right.
All right? Right. Sometimes this job gets difficult like that out there, and that man ran over my foot.